How's it going, everybody? This is Mike with NeatApple Tech Academy, and currently right now we just finished our great wonderful website that's going to be giving you compound information. All right, it's going to be giving you great stuff for mindset along with that health. Furthermore, how to make money, how to get your credit together. I mean, our team has been doing countless of hours, all right, working so that way we can give you great information on this great website. How does that sound? All right, so our new website is going to be NeatAppleIdeas.com. I'm going to show you a walkthrough on exactly what this website can give you. All right, so currently right now you can go ahead and click on get started, but I'm not going to click on that yet. I'm going to show you what that goes to here shortly. You have a cool intro of me actually explaining to you some information that's going to be great for you. So I advise everybody, before you start anything, just go ahead and click on this video, listen to it, and then go ahead and start scrolling down. Furthermore, we actually got some more information. Just read over this information right here. All right, boost your business. So this is a cool part right here on the website. This is a automatic giveaway for you. Every week we add more softwares on this click me now button. All right, so we're giving free tools and software to boost your business. Just check there every week. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue scrolling. All right, just show you information and services that we can do. So let me just stop right here. So exactly some services that we do offer, all right, with NeatApple Tech Academy. So we have services in the SEO field, you know, it's definitely in optimization, email marketing, content marketing, social marketing, report and analysis, and then competitor research. All right, and we can do many more things. We know how to build websites. We know how to do one-on-one coaching with you about finances. We do a lot of things here, real estate, you name it. All right, very, very cool. Just continue to keep going. If you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to give us an email. Just send us an email and our staff will get back with you as soon as possible. Continue to keep scrolling, and if you stop right here on upcoming events, so when there's a lot of NeatApple Academy events happening, or we actually know some whereabout events where a lot of great information is going to be at, we're going to post it right here. All right, so that way it should be a link, so that way you can be able to click on that link, go to their website, be able to purchase those tickets and be able to get that information and that knowledge. All right, how's that sound? All right, continue to keep scrolling. Email address, this is where you can email us at any question that you have. Just be patient with us because we get tons of emails, all right, from our other different platforms. And so as the emails comes in, we're going to actually make sure our team work day in and day out to be able to answer all those emails, all right? And furthermore, we have some quick links at the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll all the way back up to the top. Now, it depends on if you have Android or if you have iOS, but then if it's on desktop, you'll see this differently as well. But I'm just gonna go off of it as I have an Android or Note 10 Plus. So click on those three lines in the top right hand corner, and you have only two options: home, which is home right here, and then blog. All right, so let me just go ahead and just click on blog. Stay tuned. Okay, voila, perfect. So now you're on the blog page. So every single day we're gonna go ahead and embed information daily. This is free information. All right, so as you can see, this is just a spill of information about credit cards. If I keep scrolling, hey, if you want to become an entrepreneur, know how to sell hair, hey, click on that link right there. What's some more? Business boot camps by PayPal. I mean, it's all kind of stuff. Can I sell Amazon FBA store business? I mean, there's all type of great stuff, information on here, okay? We got stuff from different countries, how to make money there. I mean, look, it doesn't stop. All right, earn $200 plus per day on your smartphone for free. Make money online 2021. I mean, we have all types of stuff. So let's go ahead. I'm just gonna pick on one. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this one right here. So when you click on this link, majority of them actually has a video information with it. All right, so currently right there, if you're ready to go ahead and take a look into it, just press play. You can watch the information, click on pause. And the cool part about it is the information that if they're speaking about things that they're telling you to go to or any type of great information they want to give you, it's listed below. All right, so just take a look at this information, just grab it, go to those links, and voila, I go back and it's just cool information. So again, daily we're going to update it with new content. It can be from how to make money doing this. It can be on how to make sure your health is in great shape. Have you exercised today? Have you just even walked? Sometimes, you know, you may not be the type of person who wants to lift weights. All right. So did you walk today? All right. Did you burn some of those calories? Things that sort. We tune in on every single thing, because in life, and also a lot of people just keep their mind focused on just money. But money is not nothing if you don't actually have health. All right. I'll say that again. Money is nothing, and objects is nothing if you don't have great health. Why? Because how are you going to enjoy it? How are you going to enjoy it? You're not going to be able to enjoy it as the best full potential that you can if you're not in great health. So that's the reason why we teach you on great health, great mindset, and all type of cool things. All right. Now, let's go ahead. I'm going to click back up here. I'm going to go back to home. Now that we got the home base loaded back up, you see this get started button that I was informing you about? Now, there's three ways to get to this website that I'm going to show you. Click right here on Get Started, Gain Access Now, and click Me Now. All right. So let's go ahead and click on Get Started. It's going to take you to our Academy area. All right. So the Academy area is where we got all the great courses that we can offer you for great prices. I mean, this information, we over deliver. All right, that's one thing that you're going to notice about NeatApple Academy. We like to over deliver just because we want to make sure that you're equipped. Like, you gotta understand that you're learning for your life. You're not actually out here learning just to pass a grade. Okay, now if you're still in school, you're still doing it for those reasons, for grades, but outside, if you're a grown-up, hey, you're not doing it, you're not graded anymore. So when you're learning now, you're learning to keep this information to live through your life. All right, so that's the reason we take it very seriously. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down, just show you a few courses that we do have to offer. We have your do-it-yourself credit repair. All right, so right there, we giving you the credit repair letters. All right, I repeat, we giving you the credit repair letters if your credit is hurting. All right, we giving you the letters to be able to embed your information, mail it off, be patient, and we tell you how to process on how it's supposed to go within that course as well, and follow those directions, and you're going to notice how your credit is going to sharpen up. All right, I'm just going to be able to help you step by step. All right, let's go ahead and click over to the next one. So the next one is time management for entrepreneur course. All right, so maybe you are already in this entrepreneur area. You got to figure out how to do this time management, just because you don't have that much time because you just filled up on doing a lot of things yourself, or B, you just now getting into this field and you need to know how to make sure your time is still manageable. All right, just go ahead and get that course right there. Going to the next one, understanding the wealth formula 4.0. All right, this just got launched. All right, this one right here, this is going to be this is what you're going to need. I'm just going to go ahead and just put that out there. You get this course right here. This one right here is going to be on its way. It has over 21 courses. It says 21 courses right there, but I guarantee you, by the time you purchase this, you're going to see more than 21. I guarantee you, you're going to see over, I can just definitely say, you're going to see over 35 courses. 35 lessons. I guarantee you that. And when I say that it's giving you information, hold on, matter of fact, let me pause right here, and I'm going to show you what's going to be inside that course. Stay tuned. All right, so perfect. So I'm going to show you exactly what's coming inside this course of the 4.0. In the mindset area, this is what you're going to be able to learn. Productivity for procrastinators. All right, the next course is going to be solopreneur success. All right, the next one is going to be best vision. So the best vision of you. All right, the next course is going to be daily affirmations. So that way you can keep getting your self-esteem uplifted every single day, staying positive. When things happen, you know how to look into it on the better end. All right. The next one is entrepreneurs. All right. The next course is going to be happiness through self-care. All right. I told you, we get into that health part. The next course is going to be happiness starts with you. All right. I'm telling you, we got to get the mindset first. All right. The next one is reprogramming your mind. All right. The next one is stay-at-home moms. I mean, it's a lot of moms out there. Hey, I mean, they was working hard, and all of a sudden they had became pregnant, and they having a child, so they at home, they with the baby. How can they still be able to make income? All right. So again, we're making sure that we catching all levels and making sure we getting everybody mindset on the correct path to be able to make income. All right. How's that sound? All right. The next one is the Disciplined Mind course. The next one is going to be the Inner Peace Affirmation course. All right. And then the next one is Work from Home Productivity course. All right. Moving on to the next bracket is going to be the marketing area. That course is we're going to have plenty of courses on that, which is going to be the LinkedIn Success course, the ClickBank Marketing Secret course, the Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing course, SEO Hacks course, Upgrade Your Facebook Ads course, YouTube Authority course, Facebook Ads Upgrader course, and then Facebook Messenger Bot course. How does that sound? I'm telling you. How's that sound, ladies and gentlemen? I can't hear you. Are you pumped yet? Or if you really pumped right now, go ahead and stop this video right now. Go ahead and purchase it. All right? If you feeling pumped right now, go ahead and stop this video and purchase it. So that way you can take action. All my action takers right now, I'm asking you all, leave this right now and go ahead and purchase it. All my action takers. All right? Now, if you're still here, let's go ahead and continue. The other courses going to be in there is going to be the How to Make Money area, which means the Money Wealth Formula course, the Learn About Bitcoin Profit course, the Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors course. Pause. Did you just say Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors? Yes, I did. I'm telling you, the older group, we're going to make sure they're going to know how to get on this technology field and be able to make money as well. So we got our team to be able to put it into their liking, so that way these seniors can be able to make money how these other people's making money. All right. How's that sound? So great. Moving on. AI for Entrepreneurs. All right. Course. The next one is ClickBank Marketing Secrets course. Next one is Get Started with Webinar course. And last but not least, you have the Real Estate Money Making course. You're getting all these, ladies and gentlemen. You're getting all these for the price for only $4.95. Come on, go ahead and click on it. All right. So once you go ahead and click on it, you're going to be able to see more information about it. All right. Looking at the breakdown. Let's look at this. So pick up your starting point. All right. Money Plant Breakdown, Part 1. Money Breakdown, Part 2. Investing Change to make you money. You have to look at that one. That's one of my favorites. Investing Change to make you money. I love that one. And so forth. I mean, there's other different things. All right. So again, get this course. So if you're ready to take this course, go ahead and come to right here. Click on Buy Now. All right. So when you click on Buy Now, it's going to ask you to embed your information, and then it's easy. Either you want to pay through a PayPal, if you want to do Venmo or Cash App, just contact our team. From there, we take Google Pay, we take Amazon Pay, we take all major credit cards, and the only thing we just cannot do, we can't take cash unless we in your city and we actually doing one of our great events. All right. So also, let me pause right there. If you want us to come to your state, go ahead and email us now and just tell us what state that you're from and what area that you're from and what type of information that you think that your community or your team that you can bring to the table, what information they need. All right. I thank you very much for sitting here, listening to me, soaking up all this information. If you're looking at this video, that means you're an action taker to even press play, or even to press that button, press play again, and listen to this information all the way through. You are an action taker. I can't say that. So give yourself a round of applause. All right. All right. And then the next step is go ahead and get one of these courses. Go ahead and get this information so that way you can start your new journey right now. All right. So again, my name is Mike with NeatApple Tech. Thank you very much for listening to us. Go ahead and go to NeatApple Tech Academy which is going to be the address of NeatAppleIdeas.com. And go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel at NeatApple Tech. And thank you very much for listening out. And stay tuned for the next episode.